Hi guys, and welcome to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. Fast, easy, midweek meals. And today is no different. I am going to talk to you about haggis. We're going to do a great haggis recipe. Now this haggis, it comes from McCaskies Butchers. I've got one here in the box. They are from Weems Bay and they are an award-winning quality butcher. I love their haggis, it's really good. And I love it because they are the makers of the most awarded haggis in Scotland, and it's terrific. So here it is. Okay, McCaskies Butchers. If you want to order any of this online, I'll put it up on the screen and you'll be able to see, in case you're not somewhere, lots of people follow me all over the place, in case you're not somewhere that you can readily pick up haggis. It's a great time of year for it. We're just coming up to Burns Night and I want to show you a really simple meal that you can make, get in the freezer and just bring out for any time midweek, okay? So we are talking about haggis, chicken stuffed with haggis, wrapped in bacon, and you can also serve it with a whiskey sauce that can also go in the freezer, okay? Beautiful, easy meal to make. Great if you've got people coming over as well, because guests really like it. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with your 4 chicken breasts, okay? And we probably need about half of this haggis. So in true Batch Lady style, if you're going to make 1, make 2, because we're going to use half of the haggis for the 4 chicken breasts. So if I was you, I'd just get 8 chicken breasts, depending on how many people are in your family, and get them in the freezer. So you're going to make 2 portions of this, okay? Right, so one thing that people don't realise about haggis, okay? Haggis is already cooked. This smells delicious. I wish it was smell-o-vision and you could smell it. It's already cooked, so you only need to reheat it. So you don't have to worry about thinking, how do you cook it? Do you boil it in a pan? It's actually already cooked and you can reheat it in numerous different ways. And for this recipe, I'll show you exactly what to do. We're just going to actually use it like this and cook it when we cook the chicken. Okay, so we're going to use about half the haggis and we're going to cut it into roughly about 4 equal pieces. Okay, roughly. Right, now we've also got our bacon. So you're going to need bacon, you're going to need your haggis, and you're going to need your chicken breasts. Okay, what I want you to do is butterfly your chicken breasts, which means cut them open so that they're open like this, okay? So there's one here that I haven't done. There's a little diddy one that's going to be for Zara. My children absolutely love this haggis. And it's such a super easy thing. It gives a real nice taste to something like chicken that can be often quite bland on its own. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your haggis and you're just going to slightly crumble it so that it'll stuff in the chicken breast. Now, depends how much you want to use. We love it, so we're going to put in quite a bit. So you're going to crumble it in, if I can show you that. You're going to crumble it when the butterfly is open, okay? And then you're just going to fold the chicken breast over and sort of like give it a good pat down so it all jams in there, okay? And it looks like that. Oh, amazing. Okay, let's just quickly do our other 4. Leave me a comment, let me know, is haggis your thing? Do you like haggis? What will you be eating for Burns Night? We shall be eating this, so anybody that's in Scotland will be celebrating Burns Night at the end of January, and you always have to have haggis on Burns Night, so why not give it a try? This is a really simple one. Great as well if your kids aren't sure about haggis and you want to give them a little bit and get them started. You know, they've got a little bit in with the chicken rather than serving it as a full meal. Right, you are now going to get your bacon, and just like lots of the other Batch Lady recipes we've done, you're just going to wrap your bacon so that it wraps round into a beautiful parcel. Okay, so hands are washed and we are going to start to just fold this parcel up so it's oven ready for when we want it. We're just going to fold it into a parcel. So you can do this, you're not going to cook it just now, it's just going in the freezer like that. You're going to take your labelled freezer bag, okay, so I've labelled mine McCaskies haggis and chicken, served with mash and the whiskey sauce, serves 4, and you're just going to put it in the bag, okay? Put it in the bag, seal it up, and it's going in your freezer. You just made a meal in about 2 minutes. It's that simple, that's why you want to double it. Now, when you want to come to use it, you're going to take it out, let it defrost, put it on a tray, and then I would just peel back the foil slightly, okay? So you're slightly opening the parcel, and then it should take about 35 to 40 minutes in an oven at about 180 degrees, and it will be juicy, delightful. You don't really need any other things with this because the taste of the haggis is going to come through the chicken and it's going to be amazing. If you want to, for example, I've got a whiskey sauce here that's just a shop bought one that I picked up, and it's actually frozen because I've had it in the freezer. So you can pick one of those up and you can just add it in as well if you want into your bag. I'm just going to put these in, and I'm going to put the whiskey sauce in with it. So I know that apart from some mashed potatoes, that is one full midweek family meal. We're going to save this for Burns night. It's going to be delicious. I hope that you have enjoyed this video.